Hello everybody, Mr. Heeb here, and today we're going to play rock, paper, scissors. And we are going to see if we can play against the computer and see how this goes. So the first thing we need to do is ask it a question. Whenever we ask a question, we use the term input. That helps us ask a question. And we'll say, what do you want to pick? Rock, paper, or scissors? All right. So if we run this, it just asks a question, nothing very exciting. We want to save this as a variable. I like to name my variables as close to the thing as possible, so I know, especially in big programs, so I know exactly what each variable means. So this is the player's choice. So the player gets to pick rock, paper, or scissors. All right, that makes sense. And now we need to compare that against what the computer picks. Now a computer doesn't really get to pick much, but we can make a list of choices. So let's just call these comp choices. And I'm going to make a list that's rock, paper, and scissors. All right, so now we have computer choices. And now the computer's choice will just be a randomly picked one of those. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to import random. So that lets me use the random words. So these are the computer's choices. So this is going to be slightly confusing. Now I'm going to call this computer's choice. So we're just going to pick one of those. So I'll do random dot choice and then call this comp choices. Maybe I should have thought of a better name for that. But just to check to see if this is working, I'm just going to print out player's choice and computer's choice. So when I do this, I'm going to have the person is going to pick something. What do you want to pick? Rock, paper, scissors. I'm going to say rock. So I picked rock. The first answer that was printed out was the player's choice. So I picked rock. They chose scissors. Great. It looks like it's working. I'm picking something. The computer's picking something. That's a good start.